Here we are at Broom Lane level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains. Dead alarm. Time now is 10:24 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for your slightly early 10:27 6 Lima 42 service from Mount Sorrel sidings to Barham. This alarm's dead. Unless it's so quiet that I can't hear it. This crossing used to have penguin barriers years ago. I must have come too late, because it's now got the usual SPX AHB barriers. Right, we have. Must be a whistle board up there. $66,099. $66,099 to Barham, and up they go. Here we are at Risby level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains. The time is 10:44 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for your 10:46 5 Mike 17 East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras to Cricklewood A to E sidings. Triple 2022. Triple 2022 to Cricklewood, and up they go. Here we are at Brooksby level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains. Time now is 11:24 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for you 11:25 1 Lima 36 cross-country service in Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. We've got 170 103 70 103 to Stansted Airport, and up they go. Here we are at Frisbee level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains. It's just being a bit careful because of the signal obviously up there. Anyways, time is 11:36 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for your 11:36 1 November 49 cross-country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. Yes, we hear you. There's obviously a lot of whistle boards on this line, and I'm looking at one of them right now. Here we go. We have 170 109. 70 109 to Birmingham New Street, and up they go. Here we are at Ashford B level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains.
More than one train may be approaching.
Right, the time is 12:23 on Monday the 20th of January 2024. This is for your 12:24. 1 Lima 30 cross country service from Birmingham to Cambridge, and could also be staying for your 12:21 6 Juliet 13 service from Stowmarket to Rugby. We might do, we might not. It's from Stowmarket to Rugby Depot access line. Here we go. 73906 to Rugby, and up they go. Here we are at Whissendine level crossing in Leicestershire with AB trains. There we go. Right, the time is 14:12 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for your early 14:26 Foxtrot 77 GBRF service from Mont Sorel to Wellingborough up TC. Oh, sorry, it's Mount Sorrel, not Mount Sorel. Because there's two Mount Sorrel, so I don't know if one's Mount Sorrel and the other's Mount Sorel. But no, they're the same thing. There's Mount Sorrel sidings, and then you've got Mount Sorrel on its own. With GBRF next to it, obviously. How, if anyone is from Whissendine, how do you say it? Is it Whissendine or Whissendine? I say it's Whissendine because of the D-I-N-E bit at the end. And I grew up learning that an E at the end is silent, and the magic silent E makes a vowel say its name. Here it is. We have 66,702. .702 to Wellingborough, and up they go.
Hi guys, we're at Ashwell level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. There we go, the time now is 13:40 on Tuesday the 22nd of August 2017. And this is for your 1342 William 40 cross-country service in Birmingham New Street, Stamford Airport. Here she is, we've got 170 105. 170 105 to Stamford Airport, and they go.
Here we are at Ashwell Gatehouse level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. The time is 14:46 on Monday the 20th of January 2025. And they must have put it down early, because Ashwell's still up, unless it's going down now. Yeah, the barriers are still up. But yeah, eventually, this will be for our 1456 Form Mike 23 GBRF service in Felixstowe North to Hams Hall. Those expected to pass at 53, so that's in about 6 minutes. So it turns out that this is a request crossing, as I just found out on the other end. Basically, you push that button, you've got to wait a few seconds, and then the barriers go back up. So what I'm going to do, when the train eventually shows up, in about 5 minutes' time, I'll push the button, and the barriers will go back up. There's nothing else due until 15:12. Which I'll hopefully get at Langham, which is the next one up over there, or the next one down, should I say, because that way's up towards Leicester and Birmingham, and that way's down towards Peterborough and stations towards Cambridge and Stansted Airport. as well as Norwich, which is served by a couple of EMRs that start at Nottingham. Right, let's see if they've put Ashwell down yet. Yep, it looks like Ashwell's down. The signal's green as well, so that means the train's on its way. I could be wrong, but I think this illuminates when you push that button. It's supposed to say train coming. But obviously I don't want to be touching things because otherwise things could go horribly wrong. And I don't really want to be fined. What was it, £1,000 for leaving the crossing open? I think it was 1,000, or was it 100? It's said on a sign at a foot crossing, the one that has one of those signs. It doesn't have any lights, and it said penalty for not closing gate. Either said 100 or £1,000 or £200, whatever. But you will get fined a hefty price. Right, here we go. For leaving the crossing open. We've got tier 3. And here's the end of 66303 to Hams Hall. And apparently says there's a train coming. Last I looked, there wasn't any, apart from the one that just went by. So there you go. You push the button, then that train coming thing eliminates. And if it doesn't go out, then there's something else coming. I don't know what is, because look, Ashwell's gone up. Up they go, please. He's currently sorting the signals out by the looks of it. Unless I'm hearing things. There we go. Up they go. Here we are back again at Langham Junction level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. There we go. Now, time is 15:05 on Monday the 20th of January 2025, and this is for your I had it a minute ago. There you go, your 1510 4 Zulu 41 service from Peterborough West Yard to Montsorrel sidings. Here it comes. Are you able to see it from here or not? Oh, there you go. Just about. It's Deutsche Bahn, because the 66 is red. Right, we have 66067. 66067 to Mount Sorrel sidings, and up they go. Here we are back again at Oakham Station Level Crossing in Rutland with AV trains. There we go. Now, time is 15:59 on Monday the 20th of January 2025. I knew this was going to happen. 2024 all over again. When I mistakenly said 2023. Oh well, hopefully this is the one time I do it. Anyways, this is for your heavily delayed 1540 William and 44 cross-country service in Birmingham New Street, Stansted Airport. There we go. Just see it. If I move back a bit, you see at least a quarter of it. 170-107 is the number. There we go. .170, 107 to Stansted Airport, and Seems like we're staying for something. I may have just caught a glimpse of it. Here we go. Oh, it's another tamper. And up there you go. Hold on. Here we are at Oakham Brook Road level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. Right. Time is 10:34 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025. I've noticed I've been saying 2024 3 times in the last previous videos. Well, never mind. Right, this is for your early 11066 Victor 92 Deutsche Bahn Schenker service from Corby BSC to Margam TC. Here she is. '66 66015 to Margam, and up they go. Here we are back again at Luffenham level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. That alarm's quite rusty. This crossing's also got new skirts as well, because last time I came here in 21, they too were quite rusty. SBX rail systems as well. Right. Time is 11:12 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your 11:13. Yes, your 11:13, 1 November 49 cross-country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street, and it's about 4 or so minutes away, but we might be staying for our slightly early 11:23 4 Lima 05 GBRF service from Ditton O'Connor to Felixstowe North. But seeing as it's about 4 minutes after the cross-country, it might go up. Here it is. We have 170, 397. 170, 397 to Birmingham New Street, and up they go. Here we are at Ketton level crossing in Rutland with AB trains. No alarms on this crossing. Right, the time is 11:33 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your slightly early 11:43 4 Mike 81 Freightliner service from Felixstowe North to Garston. I believe it's Freightliner. It says FLT. I believe it means Freightliner Terminal. Usually you can tell which company is doing said freight. If it says FLT, Freightliner, if it's GBRF, it's, well, the clue's in the name. Everything else you kind of have to guess. But on this line it's usually around EWS or Deutsche Bahn. Anyone lost a pair of gloves at all? Believe it or not, this is the final crossing that I'm doing in Rutland. Because having filmed Ashwell, Ashwell Gatehouse, Langham Junction, Oakham Station, Oakham Brook Road, Luffenham, and this one, that means I have filmed every single crossing in Rutland. Which then makes it the third county to be completed, with the other two being County Armagh and County Down in Northern Ireland. County Down, that's pretty much a piece of cake. Because there's only the one crossing there. Here she is. We've got 66502. comes the end of 66,502 to Garston. And up they go. Here we are back again at Bainton Level Crossing in Cambridge, over there be trains. There we go, and then the time now is 12:01 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your 11:58, 1 Lima 36 cross country service in Birmingham New Street, Stansted Airport, cause order to be staying for your 12:03, 1 November 51 cross country service in Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. First this way we have, oh no, 176.18, 176.18 to Birmingham, 171.02, 171.02 to Stansted, and up they go. Not the sort of double stay I was expecting. Here we are back again at Bainton Green Level Crossing in Cambridge, over there be trains. Time now is 1300 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your 1300 1 November 53 no 1301 1 Lima 38 cross country service in Birmingham to Cambridge. 170 106 7106 to Cambridge, and we're double staying for your 1300 1 November 53 cross country service in Cambridge Birmingham New Street, 170 105 170 105 to Birmingham New Street, and up they go. Here we are to Maxley Level Crossing in Cambridge, over there be trains. Go now. Time is 13:33 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for, well, it should be for your 13:32 1 Romeo 72 East Midlands Railway, so from Norwich Liverpool Lime Street. And maybe your heavily delayed 12:48 1 Whiskey 16 London North Eastern Railway, so it's London King's Cross to Inverness. And your 13, maybe your 13:32 1 Alpha 29 London North Eastern Railway, so from Harrogate to London King's Cross. Here comes something. 800 107. 800 107 to Lincoln's Cross, and we're staying. I'm just gonna double check because that was a 9 car. I did say that it was Harrogate, London. I just want to make sure. Yep, that was Harrogate, London. Always nice to double check. Right, we should either have Inverness or Liverpool, depending on which one bothers to show up. Oh, hello. What do we have here? It's a 47 by the sounds of it. Ah, this is your 1343 0 Zulu 45. Oh, 800 106. 800 106 to Inverness. And we've got to be staying. Right, as I was saying before that Azuma rudely interrupted me, this here is your slightly early 1343 0 Zulu 45 service from Leicester LIP to Peterborough Main Shed. Well, we could also be staying for your 1341 4 Mike 29 GBR service from Felixstowe North to Birchcroft Heaths. Yet to hear anything about that EMR. Right, that's on the boost, so it's due shortly. Oh, hello. 170 to 03. 170 to 03 to Norwich, and 158 865. 15865 to Liverpool. That was your 1333 1 Lima 09 East Midlands Railway Service Liverpool Line to Norwich. Right, 47's on the move. I don't get bottled by the upcoming freight. Seven 47 727 Edinburgh Castle to Peterborough, and talk about a dark cloud descending. Looks like we're staying yet again. Thank you so much, freight, for not bolding me. I think things are starting to pick themselves up a bit. Because we've got trains passing at a higher speed. So it looks like Helpston might be a bit easier. Here we go. There's a light through the hedge. We've got 66, 719. And 801 224 to King's Cross. $7.19 to Birch, and up they go. That was your 1343 1 Echo 10 London North Eastern Railway, so it's Edinburgh London King's Cross. Here we are at Helpston level crossing in Cambridge over Thavy trains. Yeah, you can just see that skirt's just snapped on the top, look. That is what can happen when this barrier, or any other barrier, bangs that hard. I'm surprised Scopwick didn't have the same thing when it slammed into the ground last time I went there. Right, time is 14:18 on Thursday the 30th of January 2025, and this is for your I did it a second ago. Your delayed 1357 1 Delta 15 London North Eastern Railway serves London King's Cross to Leeds. And possibly, if well, I don't know if we might be staying for it, but we could also be staying for your 1421 1 Bravo 85 London North Eastern Railway serves from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. Yeah, the signal's green. Here we go. 801 107. 801 107 to 801 103 to Leeds, and we're staying because there's the other one. The Stamford line's got a green signal. Well, I don't know if we'll be staying for it, but it's due at 25 and it's 20 right now. $829 to London King's Cross, and okay, apparently we are staying then, even though we've got a 5-minute wait, unless it's due a little bit early. But we might be staying for the 1425 4 Mike 23 GBRS service from Felixstowe North to Hams Hall. Here we go. You can just see the headlights through the bush. We've got 66,784. £66,784 to Hams Hall, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next time's videos.